Millions of people use ChatGPT every single day. Almost none of them are making money with it. Not because ChatGPT cannot generate income. It absolutely can. But because most people use it the same wrong way, as a question answering machine, and then wonder why it never translates into real results. Today I am showing you the specific difference between how most people use ChatGPT and how the people actually earning money with it use it. One shift in how you approach the tool changes everything. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. The wrong way. ChatGPT is a search engine. Most people open ChatGPT the same way they open a search engine. They have a question. They type it. They read the answer. They close the tab. Write me a blog post about productivity. Give me some ideas for social media content. What are good ways to make money online? Summarize this article for me. These are not bad prompts. They produce reasonable outputs. But they treat ChatGPT as a tool that does tasks rather than a tool that builds systems. And that is the fundamental difference between casual users and people generating income. Casual users ask ChatGPT to do things once. Moneymakers use ChatGPT to build things that work repeatedly. The money method. ChatGPT is a system builder. The money method is not about better prompts for individual tasks. It is about using ChatGPT to design and build repeatable systems that generate value, and therefore income, continuously without starting from scratch every time. Here is what that looks like in practice. Instead of asking ChatGPT to write one blog post, you ask it to design a complete blog content system. A content pillar framework for your niche. A repeatable post structure that works for every topic. A headline formula that consistently produces high-click titles. A call to action template that drives readers to your offer. Once built, this system produces every future blog post faster and better than any one-off prompt ever could. Instead of asking for social media ideas, you ask ChatGPT to build a complete social media content engine. Your posting schedule. Your content mix ratio. Your hook formulas for each platform. Your engagement response templates. Your monthly content calendar structure. Once built, content production becomes a 30-minute weekly task rather than a daily creative struggle. Instead of asking what ways to make money online, you ask ChatGPT to help you design a specific monetization system for your specific skills, audience, and available time. Not generic ideas. A personalized income architecture with specific steps, specific tools, and specific weekly actions tailored to your exact situation. The shift is from outputs to systems. From one-time tasks to repeatable frameworks. From using AI as a tool to using AI as a system designer. 5 specific money method applications. Here are 5 specific ways to apply the money method starting today. The client acquisition system. Ask ChatGPT to build you a complete client acquisition system for your service. Your ideal client profile. Your outreach message sequence. Your discovery call script. Your proposal template. Your objection handling responses. Build it once with ChatGPT and use it for every single client you ever pursue. The content monetization system. Ask ChatGPT to design a content monetization framework for your specific niche and platform. Where to place calls to action. How to structure content that sells without feeling promotional. Which types of content convert browsers into buyers most reliably for your specific audience type. The product creation system. Ask ChatGPT to build a repeatable digital product creation framework. Your research process for identifying what your audience will pay for. Your product outline structure. Your sales page formula. Your launch sequence. Use this same system for every product you ever build. The email revenue system. Ask ChatGPT to design a complete email monetization system. Your welcome sequence structure. Your weekly email format. Your promotional email framework. Your list growth strategy. One afternoon building this system with ChatGPT produces an email revenue engine that runs indefinitely. The pricing and packaging system. Ask ChatGPT to help you build a pricing architecture for everything you sell. How to structure your tiers. What to include at each price point. How to position your premium offer. How to present pricing in a way that makes the middle option the obvious choice. Most people underprice because they never think through their pricing architecture systematically. ChatGPT helps you build it properly once. Why this works when individual prompts do not. Individual prompts produce individual outputs. Systems produce compounding results. When you ask ChatGPT for one blog post, you get one blog post. When you ask ChatGPT to build your blogging system, every future blog post benefits from that system. The return on your one session of system building compounds across every piece of content you ever publish. This is why the money makers who use AI consistently outperform the casual users who use it occasionally. They are not smarter. They are not better at prompting. They invested one focused session in building systems that make every future session more productive. The compound effect of AI-built systems over 6 months is genuinely extraordinary compared to 6 months of individual task prompting. Your action plan starting today. Pick one area of your business or income strategy. Client acquisition. Content creation. Product development. Email marketing. Pricing. Open ChatGPT today and spend one focused hour asking it to build a complete system for that area. Not to do a task. To design a framework you can use repeatedly. 1 hour today. A system that works for months. What system would you build first? Client acquisition, content creation, or something else entirely? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this shifted how you think about using AI for income, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.